أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Alfred Nobel invented dynamite and explosive in 1860. He was an scientist, British, American, Swedish, Scottish. The correct answer is Alfred Nobel belongs to Sweden and he is an Swedish scientist. Who dissolved the first Constitution Assembly of Pakistan on 24th October 1954? Ghulam Muhammad dissolved the first Constitutional Assembly of Pakistan on 24th October 1954. Give the name of law expert who was elected as first woman president of Supreme Court Bar Association. Jahangir. Asma Jahangir was the first woman president of Supreme Court Bar Association. According to Bogra formula, the lower house consisted of dash seats. 300 seats. According to Bogra formula, lower house consisted of 300 seats. In which among the following states of United States Death Valley is located? Death Valley is located in California. The famous Death Valley is located in California. Gypsum, chalk and limestone are example of rocks. Gypsum, chalks and limestones are the example of sedimentary rocks. The headquarters of Air Force of Pakistan is located in Islamabad. Pakistan Air Force headquarters is located in Islamabad. Which of the following country is the world's largest landlocked country? Kazakhstan. World's largest landlocked country is Kazakhstan. Who is known as Napoleon of Asia? Nadir Shah. Nadir Shah is known as Napoleon of Asia. Which is the first democratic country of the world? UK is the first democratic country of the world. The famous book Think and Grow Rich is written by Napoleon Hill. World deepest diving pool opens in which country? UAE. Pacific Ocean was explored by which of the following explorers? Lewis will explore the Pacific Ocean. The largest island in the world is Greenland. MENA is the news agency of which country? MENA is the news agency of Egypt. MENA means Middle East News Agency. Malakra is a traditional game of province. Malakra is a traditional game of Sindh province, Pakistan. In which country alcohol is used as fuel for vehicles? Freedom Airlines belong to which country? New Zealand. Airlines belong to New Zealand. World Tuberculosis Day is observed on 4th May. World Tuberculosis Day is observed on 24th May. First Chief Minister of Sindh, Ayub Khoro. Ayub Khoro was first Chief Minister of Sindh, Pakistan. First Governor of Sindh, Hussain Hidayatullah was the first governor of Sindh. Vice President of Pakistan. The first Vice President of Pakistan is Nurul Amin. Where is the headquarters of Apple in located? Cupertino, California is the headquarters of Apple company. Canal Street is situated in which country? Canal Street is situated in USA. First female university of Pakistan. Fatima Medina University, the first female university of Pakistan. Thank you very much.